What is up guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new smartwatch video and this one is from OnePlus. OnePlus has just launched their all new Nord Smartwatch and there's been a lot of hype around this model recently guys. So that is what we'll be unboxing and checking out in this video. The OnePlus Nord watch comes in this sort of box packaging. Very simple packaging guys, their usual black and blue theme. You got the OnePlus Nord branding everywhere, picture of the product on the front, and by the way this smartwatch is available in like two different colors I believe, black and blue. Today in the house we have the midnight black edition, and the watch also packs some pretty good features guys. It comes with like an AMOLED display and offers like a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to unbox and check it out. And there you go boys, as soon as you open it, we've got the smartwatch at the top, that too in this beautiful midnight black color, but sort of looks like bluish finish, from certain angles. And boys, finally the Nord watch in the hands. Oh wow, it actually looks quite nice. We'll just come back to this in a moment. You also have an accessory box over here which includes some paperwork and also some stickers. Just make sure to read that. And lastly, you get a magnetic pogo pin cable in the box. That is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. So now let's finally have a closer look at the smartwatch and talk about the design and build quality. The OnePlus Nord watch has like a squarish form factor design, and this is their first Nord watch guys, first gen watch, and actually looks pretty attractive. Look at this, look at the finishing guys. Very beautiful and definitely gives you that premium look and feel. I love this metallic blue sort of finish over here. And talking about the display guys, as I've told you, comes with a big 1.78-inch AMOLED display that offers a smooth 60 Hz refresh rate. Looks like the watch case is made of like a zinc alloy material for that premium finish. Talking about the controls, there's only one crown button on the right side, multifunction button, that is it. There's nothing else over here guys. And at the back side, here's how the body looks like. You've got the OnePlus branding, some sensors and charging contacts, and that is pretty much it. Not to forget, the watch is also IP68 dust and water resistant. Coming to the straps, quality of the straps is also very good, feels soft and durable. Love the design streaks on it, and good thing is they're also replaceable guys. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set up the watch, use it for a few days, and then be back to continue the video. Okay, so I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 4 to 5 days I've been using this smartwatch, and there is a lot I have to talk about in this video guys. Both the pros and cons I'll be covering, so make sure to watch this video till the end in case if you're planning to buy this model. First of all, let's talk about the display quality guys. As I've told you, the OnePlus Nord watch comes with a 1.78-inch big AMOLED display, and display quality is like very good at this price point. Gorgeous display guys. Now come on, there's nothing less you can expect over here. AMOLED display, that too with like good resolution, almost 368 by 448 resolution, right? So everything is like crisp and clear, good amount of detail, no matter what sort of text or message content, anything, everything looks great on the display. And talking about colors also look very rich, vivid and punchy thanks to that AMOLED panel. Viewing angles are also great, and overall contrast levels, rich black levels guys, everything was nice and satisfying. Now talking about the brightness is also like pretty good. It can go up to like 500 nits of brightness at max level, and it was easily viewable even under like direct sunlight condition guys. Even in bright outdoor situations I had no sort of issues. But one thing I have to mention is the watch doesn't have always on display support. I don't know, I didn't find that feature anywhere in the settings. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind, but raise to wake function is definitely there and was working well during my usage. So what I'll do is I'll give you like a closer look, talk about the home screen, watch faces, built-in apps and features. And this is how the home screen on the watch looks like. So watch comes with like couple of watch faces guys. I think 3 or 4 watch faces are like pre-installed as you can see, and you can easily access them by long touching the home screen. But not to worry, you can download like 100 plus cloud-based watch faces using OnePlus compatible app. You need to install that on your phone, works with both iOS as well as Android phones, so not an issue at all. And talking about the swipe gesture, same as any other smartwatch guys. Swiping down on the home screen gives you your status panel. Here you've got lots of info, like it shows you battery level, Bluetooth connection status, couple of shortcuts for like direct brightness adjustment, DND mode, quick setting shortcut, theater mode is also there, and easily accessible everything from over here. Now by swiping up on the home screen will give you your notifications area. So here you can check out all your recently received notifications, or maybe like missed calls or anything. But unfortunately there is no option to reply to these texts or messages directly from the watch. You can only like open and view the content and name of the person sending. That is it. And by swiping left or right on the home screen, right, you can easily access the widgets present on the home screen. So swiping left gives you your fitness activity panel for that particular day. That means it shows you how many steps you've taken, distance traveled, calories burned, and all of these detailed analysis for one day, guys, for that particular day. If you want like a detailed analysis or maybe like a monthly summary, you'll have to check out OnePlus compatible health app. Moving on, you've got your 24/7 HR monitoring widget, stress level monitoring is also there, blood oxygen SpO2 is also available, sleep data analysis, and that is pretty much it. These were all the widgets present on the home screen. Now suppose if you want to access the complete list of all apps and features present on it, you can do that by simply pressing this multi-function button on the right side. And initially I was actually hoping this crown would be like a digital crown, because a lot of smartwatches around this price point are getting that, but unfortunately it's not a digital crown. It's just your simple button, guys, and does nothing else. Anyways, by pressing that you can easily access your complete menu and built-in apps and features. You've got a very similar Apple-like look-alike layout over here, but not to worry. By going into the settings, you can even change the style. The whole theme of this smartwatch can even be changed. Let me quickly show you. Just head over to the display section over here, and from the view mode you can actually change the whole app style view, guys. You can change it to like Apple style thumbnail view, or waterfall mode is there, your regular list view is available. It's all up to you. So let me just put it for the list view because it's easy for the video, right, to show all the apps and features. Anyways, moving on, you've got your watch face adjustment, fitness activity level, and all of these are your health related applications. I've told you, right, 24/7 HR, sleep data analysis, blood oxygen SpO2, stress level measurement, and that's it. And moving on to the workout section, so the OnePlus Nord Watch supports almost like 105 different sport activity tracking, which include like walking, running, all of these are included. And good thing is it also has like auto sport detection for both walking and running. But unfortunately there is no GPS built into the smartwatch, so you can't expect geolocation, those sort of stuff over here. Only your regular distance travel, calories burned, your 24/7 health vitalities, and that is it. So that was about the workout section. And you do have like weather info. It shows you complete weather analysis for the next 1 week, and your regular remote music player is available, remote camera shutter is also there, breathing exercises is also built in, calculator is there, so that is one good thing. And your regular all clock related stuff is available, stopwatch, timer, alarms, pomodoro tracker, all of these are available. And lastly, coming to the settings, this is how the settings look like. Very simple basic settings are available. In the display section you can adjust the brightness, screen on time duration, raise to wake function. There is no always on function, as I've told you, and that is pretty much it, guys. Our complete look at the built-in apps and features on the OnePlus Nord Watch. Alright, let's talk about the watch performance. I've been using it for the last few days, right? And the main highlight I've noticed over here is, since the Nord watch has like a 60Hz refresh rate, everything on the display feels so smooth, guys. I mean, look at this, the whole navigation on the home screen, opening and closing of apps, the transitions, everything feels so smooth thanks to that 60Hz refresh rate. Nothing like you've seen on any other budget category smartwatches. So the overall satisfactory user experience was like pretty good, guys. You'll be like very happy with the UI and fluidity on this smartwatch. Moving on and talking about the health related features, I've told you, right, Nord watch has like your complete health suite covered. You got your 24/7 HR monitoring, stress level measurement is there, blood oxygen SpO2 is available, breathing cycle, all of these are available, guys. And the sensors on it were doing a good job, especially with the 24/7 HR monitoring and SpO2 level measurement. These were working very well and giving accurate results almost 90-95% of the time. So now let me show you how you receive message and call notifications on this smartwatch. Again, for this you definitely need to install OnePlus N Health app on your phone, pair it with the watch and enable some permissions. After that only you will be able to receive any of these social media notifications on the watch. So let me just give it a ring and show you how you receive call notifications. So whenever you get a call on your phone, right, this is how the watch shows the name of the person and gives you an option to like end the call. It doesn't have Bluetooth calling support, no built-in mic or speaker, right? So you can only like end the call or dismiss the notification from the smartwatch. That is it. And here's how you receive social media notifications on this smartwatch. Say for example, this is a WhatsApp notification from my dad. It shows the name of the person and content of the message. That is it. There is no option to reply to this message from this smartwatch. We're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. During my usage, I felt the battery life on this smartwatch was kind of mediocre for the specs and features it was offering. So on a typical sort of usage with the brightness set to around like 70%, you're doing a bit of physical activities, health tracking like HR, SpO2 level measurement and these sort of stuff, you can expect around like 9 to 10 days of battery life on a single charge. And the brand says that standby time is somewhere around like 25 to 30 days. So that is pretty much it. Well, that was our review on OnePlus all-new Nord Smartwatch. Good build quality, I can say, premium look and feel, top-notch AMOLED display with a smooth 60Hz refresh rate. But despite all of these, the watch was actually missing a couple of things at this price point. First is there is no Bluetooth calling support on this smartwatch. Come on OnePlus, how could you miss that? A lot of smartwatches, even budget ones, have this feature these days. Anyway, second is wish it had like a digital crown function. That would have been like pretty awesome. Also, no always on display on this model. I didn't actually understand. Despite it having like an AMOLED panel, they could have added this feature. And because of all these things, I felt the price of this smartwatch was slightly on the expensive side. It costs almost like 4,999 rupees in India, and links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. Anyways, what do you people think? Share your thoughts on this model in the comment section down below. And that is pretty much it. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got to know everything about this model. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.